Hey family, welcome to the next video of the number system. So today's video, let's start training your ears with simple patterns. This helps you to hear what each note sound like using the number system. We are in the key of C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 6, 7, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is in the key of C. 1, find your beginning note. Let me set up my timer. So I'm gonna sing and then you sing after me the pattern. 1, 2, 1, your turn. 2, 3, 2, your turn. 3, 4, 3, your turn. 4, 5, 4. 5, 6, 5, your turn. 6, 7, 6, your turn. 7, 8, 7, your turn. Mine 10. 8, 7, 8, your turn. Mine 10. 7, 6, 7, your turn. Mine 10. 6, 5, 6, your turn. Mine 10. 5, 4, 5, your turn. Mine turn. 4, 3, 4, your turn. Mine 10. 3, 2, 1, your turn. Mine turn. 2, 1, 2, your turn. Let's end on the 1. Let's go. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job. So don't forget to do this pattern every day. This is going to help train your ears and recognize the note. This was done in the key of C, but you can transpose it in any key and repeat this pattern. Bless you.